up with the sun, it's a shiny new day. Time to laugh and giggle and run and play. Put on my hat, sunglasses on tight. Let's make summer memories, oh what a sight. We splash in the pool with a great big cheer. Water goes swoosh from ear to ear. Rubber ducky floats and the beach ball flies. We're all having fun under clear blue skies. Picnic at the park with sandwiches and juice. Melting ice cream, oh no, let it loose. We chase butterflies and blow bubbles too. Everything's magic in summer's bright hue. Build tall castles in the sandy bay. With a pail and shovel we work and play. Digging tunnels and towers so wide. Watch the little crabs hurry to hide. Camping in the yard with flashlights aglow. Telling silly stories in the tent below. Stars above us twinkle and shine. Summer nights feel so fine. Watermelon slices sticky and sweet. Popsicles dripping in the midday heat. Dancing to music, jumping around. Barefoot and happy on the soft playground. Painting with colors, hands full of goo. Crafting cool rockets and gluing with glue. Summer art is messy but fun. We make a masterpiece under the sun. At the end of the day we yawn and sigh. Tired from the fun as the sun says bye. Good night summer, dreams take flight. We'll play again with morning light.